Now we are going to study what we should do to prevent the spread of this virus and how we can protect ourselves and our community from bird flu outbreak. Number one is to be clear. Number second is to watch, and number third is to call. Number first, clear. Stay clear if the contact with infected person. If you have a doubt or you see the person who have symptoms of this flu, then and you had some contact with this person, then you should have to use the protective mask and also try to maintain a healthy distance so that you cannot get that virus directly from that person. Number second is watch if you are around an infected person. Take your temperature often and watch if you have flu-like symptoms. And number third, call for your help or dial an emergency number to seek if you need any assistance or help. And what should we do to prepare for an outbreak? We should not get panic. Number first is to maintain our nerves and not get panic. And number second is to keep eating. You cannot get flu from eating fully cooked chicken and duck. Avoid undercooking the eggs or poultry, and there is vaccine available for flu, so do get the vaccine for getting and prevention of the flu and its variants. The vaccine will not be effective against bird flu, but it can effect and be helpful for getting the circulating flu virus in your blood. Do not hoard drugs such as Tamiflu, and patient will need all available medication if the pandemic hits. Do avoid hot spots in Asia with known infection if you travel, such as China, Maldives, Malaysia, etc. And stay away from Chinese and Chinese cooked food which may contain virus. And do stay clean by washing your hands frequently. Wash your hands as much as possible. Your face. Use the soap, antibacterial soap, water, and alcohol based gels as well. And the main key points of this is a flu pandemic may occur near future, but there is no bird flu currently in US. Bird flu could be next pandemic strain, and governments and infrastructure is not still prepared for this outbreak. An outbreak could be devastating to economy of a country, and it can halt all the economic activities of country from education to business to travel and the agriculture, which is most affected. Agriculture, if especially if the poultry industry, could suffer devastating losses. And here are some of the discussion questions that students respond more to the patient to another hospital and ask for the responses. Ask them about eating their chicken and getting a shot and a lot of other questions and note the response of the patient. These are some of the study questions. The deadly flu pandemic of the strain related to bird in 1918. Education and knowledge about flu will important to outbreak prevention and not getting control. What strain is known to have caused large outbreak in domestic? That would be H5N1. What group of people does the rabies virus target? Almost all. Influenza pandemic rare but highly fatal and contagious. The sources of the information are WHO, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Cases, and the Emir Poultry and Avian Influenza and Pandemic Flu.gov. So that's it for today. Hope to see you in the next video, inshallah. Stay safe, stay healthy, and